play themselves. Some of the fans in Newport can be a bit of a pain.
Run back, get back. All the way! Get back on knee.
Bring it up. Give me a horn.
Line up. Shoot it.
Rebound.
Stop. Get there. Get the oven.
Good weight, good weight.
Get there, get there.
Sub. You want sub main coach? Come on, let's go. Sub.
Nathaniel and Liam. Nathaniel, Liam. Go. Liam. Alvin, stay. Sit. Yes. Go. Everett, inside, Everett. Good. Everett, stay inside, Everett. Shot. Is it on the other team? No. There you go. Move it around. No. Everett, stay back. Everett, go back to the 8. Shoot! Get back, run back. Get there. This screen. There you go. Get over there. Get over there, Everett. Get down, boys. Sit.
Liam.
Hey, you know what? Everett. Go the way to the middle. You go to the middle. Defend in the middle. Defend the middle. Hit the ball slowly.
20.
Stays out.
Shot.
Get back. Get back. All the way up.
Good, Buster. Buster, just let it go next time. Okay? Let it go. Good try.
Run back to the middle. Run back. Get there. Everett, all the way back. Middle. Wait for
1 minute.
Everett, go all the way back. Everett, go all the way back. All the way back.
Too much. Go ball.
Pick it up. There you go. Nice. Give that to him. Give that to him. Set the screen for him. Set the screen for him. Set the screen for him. There you go. Now swing. Swing. Okay.
Blue one. Blue one. 20 seconds.
Wait, take it out. Take it out. Let's go. Run back.
One more time.
These guys are just pretty high. Drink some water. Okay. Right now, Alvin, Evan, sit. Guys, you have five of you are going to test their defense. You guys understand? Right here. 2, 1, right here. You understand? That's the rest. Okay, Daniel? You got to do 5 for the rest, okay? You understand? We have to, so we can be our outlet. It's going to take 2 to 3 hours. You understand? On defense. I'm going to start counting. We cannot be here for the time. Okay? So anytime we get the readout, we have to outlet. That's why we practice the order. Understand? Never Robin sit. Get in. Move the ball around, boys. There you go. Good. Move. Yes, good job. Good ball movement. Good. Okay, swing. Quick, gotta be quick, boys. You guys have to do. There you go. Look for your shot. Look for the shot, boys. 2 on you. Where we at? Shoot. Okay. Ball pressure.
Go, buddy. Get it ready.
Better ball movement. Let's go.
All my top runners.
You guys all have to go ahead.
You're ready. You obviously couldn't do it for your basketball.
Yeah, get back.
You can do it early and then at the end.
Swing it on. No.
We get a lot of guys from Cyprus. We probably have 8 guys from Cyprus.
Let's go. Isaiah, over there, number 6.
Let's go.
See a screen for him. Yeah, you gotta jump in together. No, right, good draw defense, bring it out. Just that's good.
Blue five. You go gold. You all right, Mike? You all right?
Hey, we're gonna get in for
Now on blue 8. Don't reach, blue. Don't reach. Two on, two off. Let's go. One more, coach.
get in.
Let's go. Ready, guys? 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Here you go.
Oh!
Get back. Go, look ahead. Go ahead. Ball the arc, 25.
Out of bounds. Here we go.
More to get back in, right? Let's go.
He seems trustworthy. I'm not sure why.
Hey boys, you two gotta set some screen out here.
I gotta get it
Set some screen out here.
Thanks, coach. Appreciate that. Ball fly, go. Yeah.
Bring the ball around.
Nice shot.
Get the ball around.
Well, two shots. Two minutes.
Get ball pressure up there. Stop the ball. Stop the ball.
International track.
Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Oven, get back, stop. Oven,
Take it out, goal. Take it out, goal. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Hey, get over there, Ray.
40 seconds. 40.
Do that. Good try.
Go ball, play goal. Play goal.
Good try, Ray.
Bryce, it's my whistle. My baseline. Free ball. Woo. Woo. Yeah.
go, go, guys.
15 seconds. No foul. No foul. Hurry up, 5, 4, 3.
Go, 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 go.
You can get back in, right?
Let's go. Get in.
Come on. Everybody sit. Everybody sit. Guys, over here. Listen. When we are outside like this, we talk about that. We have so many things. All the shots that we did yesterday. Okay? Shoot. Do we want what we want to do more of, guys? When you touch me, we cannot move it. We cannot do that. Okay? This is the teacher. The long to learn. Okay, there's a team. Even now we down, we have a chance to find it. Do you understand? I want to see what you guys are doing passing the ball around, moving around. Those are all good things we want to do. Keep doing that. And then get the good shot. On defense. Okay? We have to keep the ball. We have to keep the pressure up. Okay? Understand? There's still a lot. Okay? Everything that is your effort. Play smart. All of effort. And then when the three is there, shoot it. You won't make the shot. You won't make the shot if you don't shoot. You guys understand? Don't hesitate. Be decisive. Okay? You got that? Yes. Exactly. Better. Okay? Guys, this is a chance for us. I don't know for sure. This is a chance for us to play the right way. Take our ball the right way. Okay? Play square, move around, get open, pass, swing the ball around. And then when there's a shot there, and then we run back. Back, we're gonna do some.
Go ball, come in. Go ball.
1, 2, 3 years. Okay? You understand? Alright. Alright, who's going in? Come on. Go ball, right? Go back in. You don't need. Who is sitting? Go back in for sure. Huh? Who's sitting? Huh? You sitting, you go back in. You just go back in. Yeah. Get back in. Get back in. Go, push. Outlet. We worked on. Look ahead. Work on. There we go. Good shot. Come on. No. Not the head stay.
You gotta stay in the 3-point line, boys. Go ball. On the inside.
Boys, that's fine. Keep doing that. There we go. There we go.
That was your difference. Okay.
Wait.
3.
We gotta catch that. there, get there. Rebound. All right, good. Go up. Nice. Go down. Run the defense. Right. Swing here. There you go. Swing. There you go. Cut. Let's go. Get the ball moving, brother. Come on. Get the ball moving. Come on, buddy. Nice. Pass the ball. Pass it. Cut. Get there. Get back. Rebound. Good, good. Look ahead. Look ahead. Always. No. Stop ball. Get there. Rita, go. Look ahead. Look ahead. Go all the way. Set over here, boys. Come on. Set. Rebound. Push it out. Push it out. Move. There you go.
Foul on goal 4.
Take it out. What's that, boy? Finish your shot up. Right there. To the left of you. There you go. Yeah. Stay right there. Sir. Okay, now you go. Everett, go. Go. Everett. Take a breath. Get some rest. Go, Arvin. Go okay. Arvin just... Arvin, pay attention. You have to. Where? No. Guys. Okay. Be prepared to catch there. Okay? Be prepared to catch. Good. Go, set the screen. Get back to the back of the goal. Middle. That's your shot. Right it. Let's go shot it. Go, push, run. That's not his shot. You too.
A lot I do for 80 million. Is it?
Good job.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Good. Right, set screen. Move the ball around. Good. Move the ball around. Let's go. Move the ball around. There you go. Now go on this side. On this side. Come to this side. There you go. There you go. Come this side. Rebound. No, you don't got it there. Get it back up. Guys, here. Listen. That was good. Last possession. Right?
And then I'll pick you Oliver's number right now.
I had you guys going the wrong way, so fourth quarter it's gonna be your ball going now. Your ball. Our ball now.
Our ball. Take some water. Defense. Moving around, help the teammates up. I love how we were drawing too. Like I did, we were drawing too, and then pass it around. Okay, that's all I see. Arlen, Kai. Arlen, Kai, go. Kai, Arlen. Going this way. Going this way. Go.
Stay on the inside of the three-point line, Buster. Rebound. Buster, take the ball out. No. Buster, take the ball out. You're taking the ball. My bad, my bad. That was our ball.
Rebound, boys. There you go. Look ahead! Watch the middle. Everett, watch the middle. Watch the middle. Boys. Defense. Look ahead, look ahead. Go, 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 go. You guys see that? You guys watch. Thanks, Dave. You don't have to be afraid, okay? This is a little bit. You guys ready to get back in? You want to get back in?
Baseline goal, keep bumping him. Okay. Your ball, stop, where you want to go. Goal ball, here we go, thanks, buddy. Goal ball, goal ball. Here we go.
No, easy pass.
Buster, on this side.
Free ball.
Get back.
Pass to the leader, Buster.
Beginning from Ride it. Go in. Arvin, get in from next. Go next. Just rest. Arvin, you're too late. You're too slow. Take some water.
Big one, good shot. 4 minutes.
Hold it. Hold it.
Jump ball, blue ball, blue ball.
Get it, Arvin. Rebound. Nice. Only yet. Stop.
Sub. Go.
Bring it up as well, but guys.
One over there, 12.
Ronnie, get in the middle. Don't go outside.
Oh, right there. Yeah. Someone go that side. Rebound. Isaiah, stay with him. Stay with him. Get there, Ollie. Stuff, go. All the way. Arvin, you all the way there. Switch with number 6. Yeah, there we go. Okay, you got this all.